You're watching Foxtecc, and today I'll show you how to close apps on an iPad that doesn't have a home button. Let's get straight into it. On newer iPads, the home button has been replaced by gesture-based controls. To close an app, swipe up from the very bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. This will bring up the app switcher, which shows all the apps that are currently open. From here, you can swipe left or right to browse through your open apps. When you find the app you want to close, swipe up on its preview window. That removes it from memory and closes it. You can do the same for any other apps you want to shut down. Once you're done, just tap the top or bottom area of the screen to exit the app switcher and return to your home screen or the app you were using. This gesture fully replaces the function of the home button, and it works smoothly once you get used to it. Closing apps can sometimes help if something isn't responding or if you want to save battery in certain situations. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to Foxtecc and give the video a like. See you later.